Keto for vegetarians, delicious and plant-based recipes for vegetarians following a ketogenic diet plan. Who says you need meat to go keto? You can fuel your body with plants and still stay in fat-burning mode. Going vegetarian doesn't mean you have to miss out on the benefits of the ketogenic diet. Many believe that high-fat, low-carb eating is only for meat lovers. But plant-based keto is not only possible, it can be incredibly satisfying and nutritious. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can enjoy a delicious vegetarian lifestyle that keeps you in ketosis and feeling energized. The key to vegetarian keto success is focusing on high-fat, low-carb plant-based foods. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, full-fat dairy, coconut, and olive oil. These power ingredients provide the healthy fats your body needs while avoiding the carb-heavy fillers that often sneak into vegetarian meals. Instead of grains and legumes, which are typically too high in carbs for keto, center your meals around low-carb vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, zucchini, mushrooms, and leafy greens. These veggies are versatile and perfect for everything from salads and stir-fries to casseroles and soups. Protein can come from eggs, cheese, Greek yogurt, tempeh, and tofu, all keto-friendly vegetarian staples. Scrambled eggs with spinach and goat cheese make a great breakfast or dinner. Tofu marinated in soy sauce and sesame oil can be pan-fried and served over cauliflower rice with sautéed bok choy. Want something comforting? A creamy zucchini noodle alfredo with heavy cream, parmesan, and garlic will hit the spot. Nuts and seeds aren't just snacks, they're ingredients. Use almond flour for low-carb baking or make a crunchy topping with sunflower seeds and nutritional yeast. Chia seeds soaked in coconut milk make a perfect pudding that's both satisfying and packed with fiber. If you're missing bread, try making low-carb tortillas using egg and cheese or almond flour wraps. Want a pizza night? Use a cauliflower crust topped with pesto, mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, and olives. Planning is key. Prep a few go-to meals ahead of time, like egg muffins with broccoli and cheddar, or zucchini lasagna layered with ricotta and spinach. Keep snacks simple, a handful of walnuts, a few cheese cubes, or a scoop of guacamole with cucumber slices. Vegetarian keto offers the best of both worlds, a diet rooted in whole, plant-based foods, combined with the fat-fueled energy of ketosis. With endless combinations and flavorful meals, it's never been easier to thrive meat-free on keto. What's your favorite vegetarian keto recipe that satisfies both your cravings and your macros? Let us know and inspire others looking for meatless keto magic.